In today's video, I have another quick recipe for you. This one is in the crock pot with the chicken thighs and the rice. Watch how I put these together and watch how this turns out. This is so good. I hope you give this one a try. For the rice, I am just going to be following the directions on the back of the package. Now I just want to mix everything together. Today I'm making this for 2 people, so I will just be putting 2 pieces in. These are big too. They barely fit in there. And I will go wash my hands. Every time I do anything with chicken, I wash my hands, and then I'm going to take a little bit of that sauce and just pour it over the top of that like that. This is early in the morning, and I'm just going to let this crock pot go on low for about 6 hours, and then I will be back. I like to add just a little bit of pepper to the top of it. And fast forward 6 hours and look at this. This is all done. This is filled in nice. It is nice and thick. I want to make sure that the chicken is done, so I will check it. That is looking good. I'll make sure I check the other one just to be safe that both of them are done. They were a little bit frozen when I put them in there, so it's always a good idea just to check. And this is all done. The thing I love about this is the ease that it was to put it together. It probably took me less than 5 minutes to get everything in the crock pot. I hope you give this one a try, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.